Hello guys, so let us make a landing page or let us make a live site of your resume, meaning everyone who has a link of your resume will can view it online using GitHub. So if you don't have GitHub account, you can create free sa GitHub, and then after that, after you have created your account, go to the repositories, and then you can create a new repositories, and you can name it into CV, resume, or whatever you want to name it. And then after clicking that specific repository of your CV, you can add file. So, pwede ka na rin create ng HTML and CSS files sa GitHub mismo, or you can upload it from your computer folder, and then yung mga kailangan na images na gagamitin mo for your CSS files. And then dun sa repositories na ginagawa nyo for your resume, may portion doon na readme. So dun sa readme, pwede ninyong i-describe doon what your repository is all about. If that is, for example, resume nyo, and then you can also upload a photo dun sa readme portion para maipakita or ma-preview doon yung itsura ng resume nyo. So you can screenshot your resume, and then you can upload sa readme portion. Then kung ano yung description ninyo dun sa inyong resume. And after that, so i-drag and drop nyo lang yun dun sa readme, kasi wala siyang manual na copy paste. So you need to drag and drop doon. Then after that, so yun, sample niya, nakikita na kung ano itsura talaga ng resume nyo, nakikita doon. And then after nung magawa yung CSS HTML files ninyo, punta kayo dun sa settings, and then i-rename nyo yun. Pwede ninyong i-rename into shorter name. For example, sa akin, CV yung i-rename ko doon. And then commit rename. Then after that, dun sa default branch, see to it na laging naka-main yun. Then, and reminder din pala dun sa inyong HTML files. So, huwag nyo siyang ilalagay inside the folder. Nandun lang siya, naka-single sa inyong repositories. And then, dun sa pages, after nyong ma-change yung branch into main, i-refresh nyo lang yung page, and then lalabas na doon yung link. And then yung link na yun na yung i-share ninyo. So lahat ng meron doon sa link, yung meron ng link mo, pag kinlik nila yun, ang makikita nila hindi yung HTML or CSS files, kundi yung mismong output na ng inyong resume or landing page. So you can use or leverage using GitHub, no? Kasi free lang yun. So yun ang kagandahan, free lang sa GitHub. So yun guys, sa mga IT student dyan, nawa makatulong sa inyo, kasi isa to sa mga activity na binibigay ng mga instructor na magagamit nyo rin pag nag-a-apply kayo. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. God bless.